Is math invented or discovered? By Nameless Saint. Mathematics is an essential part of our daily lives, and it has been for centuries. From the simple arithmetic used to calculate basic transactions, to the complex equations used by scientists and engineers to solve problems, mathematics is everywhere. However, the question that has plagued mathematicians and philosophers for centuries is whether math is invented or discovered. On the one hand, some argue that mathematics is invented. They claim that mathematical concepts are created by humans to help us understand and make sense of the world around us. According to this view, mathematics is a human invention, much like language or art. On the other hand, others argue that mathematics is discovered. They believe that mathematical concepts exist independently of human thought and that humans simply uncover these concepts through the process of discovery. According to this view, mathematics is a fundamental aspect of the universe, much like gravity or electromagnetism. So, which is it? Is math invented or discovered? The answer is not a simple one, and it depends on who you ask. Those who argue that mathematics is invented often point to the fact that mathematical concepts have evolved over time. For example, the ancient Egyptians had a very different system of mathematics than we do today. They used a base 10 system, whereas we use a base 2 system, binary, for computer science and a base 10 system for most applications. Similarly, the ancient Greeks did not have the concept of zero, which is a fundamental part of our modern mathematical system. Proponents of the invention theory also argue that mathematical concepts are often created to solve specific problems or to serve specific purposes. For example, calculus was invented by Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz to solve problems related to motion and change. Similarly, statistics was invented to help us make sense of data and to make informed decisions. However, those who argue that mathematics is discovered point to the fact that mathematical concepts seem to exist independently of human thought. For example, the concept of pi exists independently of whether or not humans are aware of it. Similarly, the laws of geometry exist independently of whether or not humans have discovered them. Proponents of the discovery theory also argue that mathematical concepts are often discovered through intuition or inspiration. Many mathematicians report experiencing eureka moment when they suddenly understand a mathematical concept that they have been struggling with. This suggests that the concept already existed, waiting to be discovered. So, which theory is correct? The truth is likely somewhere in between. Mathematical concepts are certainly created and used by humans to solve specific problems and to serve specific purposes. However, these concepts also seem to exist independently of human thought, waiting to be discovered. Furthermore, it is important to note that the invention versus discovery debate is not simply an academic one. The answer to this question has implications for how we teach mathematics, how we conduct mathematical research, and how we view the role of mathematics in our lives. If we believe that mathematics is invented, then we may focus more on the practical applications of math and on teaching students how to use math to solve real-world problems. On the other hand, if we believe that mathematics is discovered, then we may focus more on the beauty and elegance of mathematical concepts and on teaching students to appreciate and explore the mathematical universe. Ultimately, the answer to the question of whether math is invented or discovered is a philosophical one. It depends on how we view the relationship between humans and the universe, and on how we understand the nature of knowledge and truth. In conclusion, the debate over whether math is invented or discovered is a complex one, with no easy answers. Both sides of the argument have valid points, and the truth likely lies somewhere in between. What is clear, however, is that mathematics is an essential part of our lives, and that we must continue to explore and appreciate the wonders of this incredible field. If you enjoy watching this video, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. New content is posted daily. Thank you, and may the Lord bless you always.